Chen friends, today we have the newspaper of 24th June 2024, and the first news is about CBI team in Patna Godhra for NEET probe. As of June 24, the NEET scam has gained a huge water in the public news and actively pressure on investigation agency regarding the mishandling and the anomalies in this NEET exam. And to give result, the CBI team in Patna, Kodra increased the raid and investigation. And in that investigations, the first information report filed by the agencies says there was a certain isolated incidents in a few states during the May 5 test. Education Ministry asked to investigate the role of public servants, if any, connected to the conduct of examinations, and also conduct a comprehensive probe into the inquiry gamut of alleged irregularities. And in the same matter, Maharashtra ATS detained two teachers from Latur. This issue have gained momentum and it directly linked to the future of our student and the future of medical professionals. And with this, we have hope that the system deliver fair and equal chance to the everyone for competition. The probe is going on, and I have the opinion that it will take time to come out the result of this whole investigations in 10 to 15 days. Then we are able to pointing finger to the affected party or to the who is accountable for this and mishandling, and we can punish with that right actions, right imprisonment. Next news is about police fear. Manipur militants are trying to acquire drone. Friend, this is a matter of national security, and if the people from Manipur have the access of drones and modern weapons, we have the fear that the what we call is internal rebellion and internal disturbance will again came to the hampering the progress of a nation. And Manipur is a issue that is continuously making trouble for Indian defense forces as well as Indian political affairs and uh, political team. We need to address this and resolve as soon as possible. Otherwise, it case not only resource wise impact to the nation but can open a rift which can be utilized by many external forces. This news is about hungry herd, elephant in search of food, cross National Highway 17 at Boko on outskirts of Guwahati on Sunday. This news is about Oram promises to look into Greater Nicobar clearance. Recently, government is trying to working and to improve the infrastructure of Andaman and Nicobar, in which government facing the protest from the tribal ministers, tribal peoples over there, and they protesting due to impact of that clearance on ground on tribal on trees, and our tribal and fair ministers is working to make consensus with them. This news is about BSP chief declares Akash Anand as successor again. Bengal was not consulted on the pact with Bangladesh, and NCP MLA nephew held after his car killed 19-year-old in Pune. BJP will form government in Jharkhand, say election in charge Chauhan. Shares with geometric symbols unearthed during evacuations at Parambalai in Tamil Nadu. Most of evacuated early historic sites such as Vallam, Kodumanal, Kiladai, Urayur, Karthur, and many other sites always shown Tamil Brahman inscribed pot shred and graft bearing pot shreds together. It gives us clarity regarding the ancient history and the way of ancient culture are practiced by the people. Next news is about homeless men face assault by mob over child theft rumors. Suraj Revanna, JD, SMLC arrested in sexual abuse case. Amravati farmers offer prayer in Vijayawada temple. Uchi tragedy, main supplier of methanol held as toll rises to 56. Orange alert for 3 districts in Kerala as the monsoon approaches. O.R. Kelu sworn in as minister in Kerala cabinet. Rahul Gandhi write a letter thanking people of Wayanad. Fear of IED returned to Telangana's border village. Bundle of surf edge sticks used by Maoists to prepare booby trap targeting security forces. Telangana ministers send notice to the BRS MLA on fly ash issue. Thrissur priests get a warning from Archbishop. Industries seeks rethink on Chinese FDI curbs and high import tariff. Mumbai and ad hoardings crash. BJP leaders say firm bribed officials. After years, Russia approved draft logistic agreement to be signed with India. 6 held on charge of cheating Delhi man using courier plow. Kejriwal moves SC against Delhi High Court interim stay of his bail by trial court. India may be returning Israel as a favor with supply of weapons, say ex-envoy. Status report of probe in NEET paper leak case sent to center. Out of 750 of 1,563 candidates, SkipNet NEET retest held in 4 states Chandigarh. Education Minister likely to make a statement on NTA issue in Parliament. ED bound to investigate NEET questions paper leak petitioners. Kharge call meeting of Congress MP elected before Parliament session. Change in protocol of receiving Hajj pilgrimage trigger row in Jammu and Kashmir. They were received by bureaucrat instead of the head of government in Srinagar on Saturday. Sri Lanka Navy arrested 22 Tamilian fishers, impounded their boat. Pushpak, ISRO's reusable launch vehicle, clear test. This was the third and final test of series. Mission demonstrated the autonomous landing capability of vehicle under more challenging release conditions, say the space agency. Cloud burst in Itanagar case landslide flood-like situation. 2 Cobra person killed in bomb blast in Chhattisgarh. New research held breast cancer diagnosed with just a drop of blood. Advisory on organ transplantations may be put up at airport. Nuclear study provide major update on plutonium isotope fission. This editorial is about Parliament change, bench strength, spell more hope. Create the space for governance with a green heart. Money and muscle. Whatever AIADMK reasons for the boycott, EC must ensure fair polling. Limit and access. Creamy layer should be keep out, but the ceiling on quota is artificial. Indian Railway and safety challenge. Power due unresolved. India among a select few countries that have not conducted the census. What are the duties of a speaker? How is methanol procured and used as liquor? Is the European Union chat control law undermining online privacy? Are these soft drink bad for your health? How credit card helps you to build a credit score? At 75, Cycle Agarbatti has fragrant, ambitious and weathered challenges. Why Kavach is stuck on a slow track? Israeli soldier tie wounded man to military jeep in West Bank raid. Hezbollah target Israeli barrack after Islamist commander death. Moscow says Philippines will not be intimidated amid China row. Marcos says Philippines will not be intimidated amid Chinese row. Islamabad 23 held for involvement in tourist lynching in Pakistan Swat town. 98 Indian Hajj pilgrims, more than 100 who died in scorching heat. Russia blamed US for missile attack on Crimea. Rumble for abortion right. Kenya President Ruto says he is ready for conversion with anti-tax protest. Former Bangladesh PM Khalida Zia is on her deathbed, say BNP leader. Poll face France's far-right national rallies is still leading ahead of election. Niger, China back oil pipeline run into domestic and diplomatic hurdle. A year ago, Russia, Yevgeny Prigozhin challenged the Kremlin with a mutiny. Mexico City neighborhood where the bug is still very much in vogue. This news is about sport sections, and agonizing green meltdown in a cold and damp USA.